Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 21st, and this is my Aussie US dollar analysis. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, linked at the end of this video down here in the corner. If you would also like to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. And don't forget that I do a YouTube live stream every weekday at 6 p.m. GMT UK time. So the Aussie dollar, pretty much for all week long so far, has been kind of drifting down. I still think there's a good chance that this is an A, this is a B, and that we're in a wave C. And if this is a higher high wave B, that means this could be a higher high wave C. It could go up, it could break structure, and it could continue the uptrend. We are kind of hovering right around the 78% Fibonacci retracement, so it's definitely a good place for this to make more of a higher low running, ABC pattern. But it doesn't have to necessarily do that. It could possibly turn into more of an expanding ABC, which would probably bring it down to like the 123, 138 area. So really the only thing that's going to confirm that this really is the end of the correction is a breaker structure to the upside, which we definitely don't have yet. It may be more likely that it does continue to drift down a little bit. If you go out to the daily time frame, we got a base channel on this whole move up on the daily time frame. And it does seem kind of likely like it would go down towards the bottom of this base channel before it starts to make a move to the upside. So it is probably more likely that it will go down further, but if it does impulsive up, break structure, hold above structure, then it probably would just continue the uptrend from here. If you don't see this picture, then it may drift down to that lower fib level. So pay attention to your fib levels, pay attention to your structure as always. So don't forget to join my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.